It's Frank, Stonelink property manager here at 442 Taunton Avenue, Unit 1, Seekonk, Massachusetts. First floor, 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour. When you walk in the living room area, hardwood flooring, very spacious. To my right, bedroom, big enough for a queen set. Kitchen area here. Countertop and cabinet space. Electric stove. Another entrance there. Basement storage. Linen closet. You have your bathroom. Shower tub and vanity. Another closet in the corner. And to apply for 442 Taunton Avenue, Unit 1, Seekonk, Massachusetts, click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank, Stonelink Property Manager. Thank you and have a great day.